hear me coming like a steam train on a mission. I bring a new vibration with a definition. I don't have no enemies or an opposition. I just come through and project my transmission. So watch me stretch as I bend into a new position. I raise the benchmark and flex hard my ammunition. I like to read the signs and follow my intuition. So I don't wonder why Stevie had a superstition. So that's the way that we be rocking from night to day. Popping, rocking, you say I be the hot topic today. I have my copy today. I rock a rocky terrain. So won't you please point your eyes to me? See, Pay, now I'm on top of my game. My wifey says I'm insane, but she understands because we be one in the same. So touche, we play the same game of Russian roulette because we reincarnate into this video game. It's insane. Okay, I'm stepping in the video game with a rhythm I know I'm pixelated. I'm kicking a bit of my flow with the vibe I throw, I'm insulated. But the world outside, I'm not gonna hide, I'm only tired and jaded. But that's the way that it go, I take my goal that feel upgraded. To win is my only goal, I've been here before, I've dominated. When I look at the map, this is a rap, you depopulated. Now you vacated, demodulated, discombobulated. I'ma state it here that you will make it if I'm playing in your team. Repping the dream, rocking the screen, I'm a fiend. Rocking numbers in between, I'm a machine. Don't let me have my caffeine. When I step on the scene, smoking my green, I'm deeper than a submarine and meaner than Wolverine. So here I go, with the flow I know I'm rapping the rhythm and soul. Stepping inside of the goal, ripping and uncontrolled, so I'm in the flow. But before I